Hello and welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. I'm Gino and here today we have a Skoda Fabia in today for a full service and a pollen filter change. So let's crack on with the video. Just like to say as well a big thank you for the people that have subscribed and been watching the videos. If you haven't already, please share, like and subscribe, and to follow for more content coming out soon. Let's get on with the video. Come on. The oil filter is just underneath this under tray, so I'm just taking it off with the T25 star bits. Just taking the under tray off and you'll see the oil filter. Oil filter right there. When you're doing these oil filters, just remember this seal sometimes gets stuck onto the engine block, and people do not notice this, and they put the new filter on, so it's like double sealed. And when they go to start it, oil just leaks out everywhere. So just be mindful to make sure that seal comes off the engine block, or it comes intact with the filter. New oil filter, got oil around the seal, put it on and then give the area a clean. And yes, I know it looks different, the oil filter, but I've gone back to the part supplier and asked if it's the same oil filter, as they have different part numbers, and it is. They've assured me it's okay to use for the vehicle. And that's the oil filter and the oil drained. Lovely. Got the culprit. Don't go too mad with these, as these can round off and just spin. These are the spark plugs, or the coils where the spark plugs are. As you can see, I've already done it. I didn't video it. These took a while to take off, as the rubber part of the coil was like kind of seized in or bonded on, you know, on all three. So it was quite a bit of time of yanking and taking it off. So it's just 10 mil bolts to take off. Pull these off. Hopefully you don't get a troubled one. What I do is, if you've got an airline, is you can split the plastic with the rubber, split it, and then try and create like a vacuum so air doesn't come out, and put an airline, airline down it to create pressure, and the rubber should pop out. If not, you might have to try and yank it, try not to damage it, or if not, get new ones if you damage, and then put it back in reverse order. There's the old ones, the new ones are fitted. It goes, and then you put the air box on. You put this breather hose into the air box there, and then you've got a lug here and lugs there, which allow it to make sure it goes onto the throttle body as well. That's all good. Breather pipe or vacuum breather pipe on, and that's the spark plugs. Sorry, I just forgot to record. Right, now doing the pollen filter. Airflow into the cabin that way. And that's the air filter, pollen filter done. Thank you very much for watching. The car's all finished. Levels are topped up, tyre pressures all okay, oil level all okay, run it up, no leaks. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.